What's that, baby girl? Is it from Tita Zara? Let's see. Let's see what's that. Wow!
Whoa! Hockey!
Hockey? Hello Kitty?
Whoa! That's hot!
Yeah, that's from Ate Cassie and Tita Leslie.
Whoa! That's hot!
Yeah, what else is there? Open the box. What's that? Wow! Yeah, put it there. Put it down. Yeah, what's that? From the Philippines. Yeah, pulveron. Thank you, Lola Mommy. Wow.
That's a heart.
Yeah. Thank you, Tita Sarah, Tito Mas. Wow. Mommy's gonna eat that. Wow, wow, wow. Look. Oh, Daddy's gonna love this. Daddy loves this one. It's from Royal Supermart. Thank you, Lola Mommy, Lola Daddy. You like that one? You say, Cassie. How about that one? What's this? Peanuts. Yes. Oh my God. I miss you. Mommy's peanuts. Oh my God. Ay, nami. Tanaw na ako. Movie. Ay, bukas. Tama. Yeah, ni Mommy. Yes. And leggings from Tita Sarah. Tito Miles. Oh! Butterscotch!
Hooray!
Yay! Hooray! What's this? Dried mangoes! What's this? Wow! Mommy got slippers from the Philippines.
Why?
Yeah! Thank you! Wow! Sandy. Thank you, Lola Mommy.
This is.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. May ulam na kami. Yay! Thank you, love. Thank you, Philippines. Can you say, wow! Say thank you. You want that one now? Okay. Thank you po sa lahat. Salamat.